primetime news this evening, a special report, fresh concerns about the systemic weaknesses in the justice system. Escaping death, woman recounts horror after she was robbed by men posing as taxi operators. And tell us why. Opposition presses House Speaker for reasons for granting leave of absence to embattled MP George Wright. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, what are your thoughts on the opposition's push to deal with the George Wright matter in Parliament? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.